Important YouTube Shorts update in YouTube Studio. Today is April 29th, 2021. Yesterday I noticed something in YouTube Studio that is an important update for YouTube Shorts. Let's take a look at YouTube Studio. Here we are in BENITRAGE LLC YouTube Studio. You can see my videos here under Content. This first video is a short. As you can see here on my YouTube homepage, in the Shorts playlist, the dog Innovative Digital Marketing. Here is that video, 31 seconds. Let's go into the video and look. If you come all the way to the bottom, how many viewers, embedding, license, date, subtitles, and you see that everything is pretty much the same as always. There's no difference here. But this is a short. So let's go back and now let's look at a longer video. This is 1:18 and this is a regular video, not a short. So now let's go back again to the very bottom. Same thing, viewers. And then you see here, Shorts Permissions. Allows people to create shorts using parts of this video. Turning this off will permanently delete all shorts sampling its content. Not all videos can opt out. I have 5 main YouTube channels and I am in YouTube Studio every single day. Just yesterday, I first noticed this new option. The idea of shorts is that you create original content and publish it as a short. Naturally, what has been happening is a lot of people are taking TikTok videos or other people's content, maybe clipping something from someone else's content and creating a short. This can obviously become a problem over the long run, as you can run into copyright issues or people using other people's content without permission. So this feature has just been added to prevent exactly that. Be sure to subscribe to BENITRAGE LLC. Here's that short with the dog. Here is the 1:18 video. If I go back in here, a video, regardless of it being short, as long as it's not a YouTube Shorts, will give you this shorts permission. Let's look back at the dog. This is an actual YouTube Shorts. If I come down, that YouTube Shorts option is not here. In order to have that option, it needs to be a video that is not qualified as a YouTube Shorts, but it can be a short YouTube video. It also can be any regular YouTube video. So for example, 40 minutes. I'll come into here, come all the way down. Here is the sample. The idea here is that someone could use a sample of music or dialogue from one of your short videos to use while they're creating a YouTube Shorts video. Let's look on the cell phone and you'll get further clarification as to the difference between shorts and how this new shorts sample function works. I'm now on my largest YouTube channel, about my Star Wars, almost 12,000 subscribers. If I click at the bottom, the plus, you'll see there is no option to create a short. Let's go to BENITRAGE. Here's the BENITRAGE LLC channel. You can see the shorts and the regular videos. So if I click onto the Innovative Digital Marketing video under the short shelf, it says Shorts Beta, look on the right, like, dislike, comments, and share. Now if I come down to the same video with the dog thumbnail, Innovative Digital Marketing, and I click into the same video, you can see at the bottom, like, dislike, share, download, and save. So I don't have any option to sample anything. We'll go to home, look in the top right, you see the Not My Star Wars logo there. Now I'll switch to a YouTube account that has the Shorts Beta function. I'll click on the plus, and as you can see, create a short. So now I'll go to BENITRAGE LLC under this account that again does have the Shorts function. Now I'm going to click on that same Innovative Digital Marketing under the Shorts Beta shelf. If I click this short, Innovative Digital Marketing, you see on the bottom right it showed up. Now I'll click the second video, Digital Marketing Agency Pittsburgh. Same thing, bottom right. You can click that graph, put that sound, dialogue, music into a short that you are creating. Now let's scroll down to the same Innovative Digital Marketing video with the thumbnail that is considered a regular YouTube video, just a short one. Look here at the bottom. Like, dislike, share, download, and then create. So now you can click create. If you look at the top, it's scrolling the sound that's in the video, and you can record a short. This short will be up to 15 seconds because it's through the YouTube app, and it will have the sound that is selected up top. So that is the sampling that they're talking about, that function. To help clarify, you can on your computer create a video up to 58 seconds and upload it, and it will qualify as a short as long as it is vertical format and up to the 58 seconds. But if you create a short on your mobile device, you can only go up to 15 seconds. Back on my laptop, if I go into this short video, which is a YouTube Shorts, remember that I don't have the option to turn off sampling. You can't turn it off on a YouTube Shorts video. But I can, however, turn it off on longer videos. Here's the Shorts permission. Now let's look at another example of this. Here is a video that is 56 seconds long, Real Estate Marketing Video 1. So if I go into here, this video is a short YouTube video, but it is not a YouTube Shorts video. Why? Because it is full screen. It's not vertical, so it doesn't qualify for the vertical shelf. Shorts are intended to be watched on your phone. But if I come down here, I have the sample option, and it's under a minute because it's not a YouTube Shorts video, but just a short YouTube video. Why is this important? Let's go back to the phone. I can click on the short video, bottom right, there's the graph. I can sample from there. If I come and watch it as a regular video, there's the create function. I can sample it there, but I can't turn off the sample content option. Remember? So this can be confusing because if you can't turn off the option, then people can just go ahead and sample your video anyways. Probably this is in the testing phase, so later also Shorts will have this option so that you can prevent people from taking a short to a short. But where this does come into play is on a shorter video. Let's look here, best car sunglasses holder, 118. Look here at the bottom, there's no create function. That is because that video is over the 58 seconds and it's a full screen video. But there is another exception. If you look here, Real Estate Marketing Video 1 that we were looking at a minute ago. If I click into that video, you see here, I can indeed use the sample and create a YouTube short. So the sample can be done on a non-YouTube Shorts video, but that video still needs to be under the 60-second qualification of a YouTube Shorts video. Here, I can in fact sample that video. Back on the computer, if you look at allow people to sample this content, I disable it. I save. I'm going to refresh the page, and I will go back down to, on my mobile, Real Estate Marketing Video number 1. Now watch what happens. I can no longer sample it. You see here, like, dislike, share, download, save. We'll do the same thing in reverse. I'll close that. Back here on the laptop, allow people to sample, save. Back here on the mobile, I'll refresh. I come back to that same video, Real Estate Marketing Video 1. And as you can see, the create function is there again. That is what the Shorts permission function is affecting. Videos that are not a YouTube Shorts video, but a short YouTube video that is under the 60-second mark. You can sample from that. Now this is all in testing, so it's pretty confusing because you should be able to disable this for Shorts themselves. I would assume in the near future this function will be for all videos. Also, a video that is longer that has that function enabled, for example, Real Estate Marketing Video 2, which is 1 minute and 9 seconds, if I click into that, you see that it does not have the create option. Let's go back one more time. I'll go to Video 1, which is 56 seconds, and here is the create. With the sample option, the Shorts permission, it does not affect longer videos, and it does not affect YouTube Shorts videos. However, a regular YouTube video that is under the 60-second mark can indeed be sampled. This only functions on mobile. And another caveat is that in mobile YouTube Studio, you do not have the option to turn the permissions off. Shorts permissions is only on a desktop computer. All of this will probably become universal once they continue testing things. But right now, this is the effect that that option has, and I want you to be aware of this option. This is to prevent people from sampling your music, your dialogue, etc. It's all a bit confusing, but that is your clarification as to how the shorts permission function works. Make sure that when you upload videos, you look for that function and keep it in mind, because later someone could be sampling your stuff and you have no control. However, if you do come here and deselect it, then as it says, turning this off will permanently delete all shorts sampling its content. Under the Learn More section, they tell you that you will be notified by an email and you'll have the opportunity to download the video without the sampled audio so that you can save it for 30 days. You, as the content owner, can turn this off and not allow others to sample from your video. Remember that the shorts permission does not work for now on a shorts video, but it will work on a video that is not in the shorts shelf, not vertical and under 58 seconds, but is under the time in a full screen. So none of these videos can be clipped because they are shorts. This one, as it qualifies as a short, cannot be clipped. But this video that is not a YouTube Shorts, it is in full screen. However, under the minute time, 42 seconds, can indeed be clipped. I know it is very confusing. YouTube is testing things. Eventually, it should be consistent across all videos, but who knows what YouTube will do in the end. Hopefully that helps. You now have better understanding of what YouTube Shorts videos versus a short YouTube video and how the Shorts permission function affects these videos. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I will see you again soon. Take care.